Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to understand how we can import, how we can use a existing project which is available on Git. Now friends, inside this GitHub URL we have this particular project hello world, and as of now I am a guest. I am not a logged in user. Even though I am not a logged in user, this URL is valid for me and I can download a copy of the exact repository. I can clone this exact repository. Now friends, in order to give you an overview how we can import, I have added this fresh copy of Eclipse IDE. Let me open up Eclipse, and in here let us see what is the process of cloning or downloading the project and what is the process of importing a project on Eclipse. Now friends, if we navigate to the URL of the repository on GitHub and we have the access to the repository, we will get the option to clone or download. So let me click on this and let me click on this option of download zip. This will take a couple of seconds and a download will start. Now in order to save some time, I have already downloaded and placed the file on desktop. So now let me open up Eclipse and now let me show you how we can import a Eclipse project. Now friends, this particular video will also help because we will be providing you with project files, and definitely you can import the project files and try to check the programs for your reference. Now how to import a Eclipse project? Alright, now let us navigate to File, Open Project, Archive because our downloaded file is a zip file. Let us select this particular file. Here we go, and we will make use of this particular project, this particular project. We will deselect the first option. In fact, let me select it as well. Let me show you what happens. If we select both the copies, then there would be two copies added. Now the reason why there is two projects added, because there is a folder hierarchy inside this particular file. So there is a folder inside a folder, and we don't want both the project, we simply want the first project, so we can simply delete the second project which is not required by us, and now we have the project inside our Eclipse. Alright, and I can also show you by running this project. Alright, so this is how we can clone or download a GitHub project and add a project into our Eclipse IDE. And do follow the step of how to add the project into Eclipse IDE whenever you wish to add, whenever you wish to import project files which we provide to you for your reference. Alright, so this was a short video, and in our next video we will try to check how to clone a GitHub repository directly from Eclipse. Alright, so something interesting is coming up. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.